Hello, this is Emily from Karmina, and today I'll be introducing our latest product, the HD-N70. For this HD-N70, it's only 2 kg in a small size. With this size, you can easily hide it into your down tube and make your e-bike look less like an e-bike. Also, we use our Harmonic Drive technique. With this technique, we can provide you a more natural and more smooth riding experience. And this HD-N70, it has a maximum torque up to 70 Nm. Also, we provide several power assist modes to customize for you. Again, I'm Emily from Karmina, and feel free to visit our website if you like our product, or you can even pay us a visit in Taichung, Taiwan. Thank you.